Ya, assalamualaikum. Good Pak Arif. Today presentation. I want to start the presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kevin Nathanael. Number in student is 20200306003. Stadion International Jakarta is a rectangular roof football stadium in Tanjung Priok, Jakarta, Indonesia. It is the home ground of Persija Jakarta after moving from their current stadium, Gelora Bung Karno Stadium, and the occasional home of the Indonesian national football team. After an agreement between PSSI and PT Jakpro to use the facility, the stadium is able to host 82,000 participants, making it the largest stadium in Indonesia. Construction of the stadium was delayed to due to land dispute and class action. Lawsuit by former squatters was homes were demolished to make way for the stadium. Judging from the capacity that is set to able to accommodate 82,000 spectators, the Jakarta International Stadium is indeed one of the grandest stadiums in Indonesia and even Jakarta. The stadium complex is built on 22 hectares of land, and the stadium building itself is built on 375.7 meters. This stadium is the largest capacity rectangular roof stadium in Asia, and the second largest rectangular roof stadium by capacity in the world, just behind AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas. The GIS project is planned to cost IDR of 4.4 trillion and is projected to be completed in 2022. The construction of this magnificent stadium requires fund of around 4.5 trillion, with funding source come from the APBD. Meanwhile, the management of the facility will be managed by PT Jakpro with other funding sources. To fulfill the funding for the GIS development, the DKI provincial government has processed the funding with details in 219 billion were fulfilled from the need of 1.7 trillion. Yes, I was finish the presentation. What you asking for a question?
Yes, I want to ask a few questions about what makes this Jakarta International Stadium more special than the Gelora Bung Karno. I mean, why this stadium like uh, is the grandest stadium in Indonesia and even in Asia? Why make it like more special?
Uh, okay, I will to answer your question. Maybe it's Jakarta International Stadium is a biggest stadium. Uh, yeah, maybe maybe it's different stadium in Jakarta. Ada why Jakarta International di Jakarta almost the stadium was shaped is inspired by traditional Betawi clothing, has a tried stand design, and it is 73 meters tall, making it one of the tallest stadium in the world. It will also have a tiger strip style facade and seating mosaic theme. After the aforementioned teams, colors, and mascot. It is a playing field of FIFA regulation size. And then the Jakarta International Stadium, importantly, the layers capacity rectable roof stadium in Asia, and the second largest rectable roof stadium by capacity in the world after AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas. Okay, next question, maybe.
I also has one more question. Um, I'm really wonder why the governor like make located this stadium in North Jakarta. I mean we know that North Jakarta is like the hottest place in this city maybe,
Yep.
and I want to know why they made made the stadium located in North Jakarta.
Okay. I want to ask well your question. Why this building up in not in Jakarta ya? I read other article. This article said location is only one of the supporting factors in designing development project from an economic perspective. Several factors must be considered today, including location and competitive properties, current and future market expansion patterns, economic growth within the market, regulatory and legal issue, set characteristics, spatial location condition, cultural view, and trends. Maybe why maybe it's why International Jakarta Stadium building up in here. Okay, this is my answer.
Thank you.
Okay, okay, I want to end the presentation. The conclusion is the Jakarta International Stadium. It's a stadium, stadium largest number 2 in the world. The stadium complex is built on 22 hectares of land And the GIS spent around 40.5 trillions with funding sources coming from the APBD in Jakarta. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam.